Hey gorgeous beauties, it's Dawn Gallagher here. How are you? Well, I'm sorry I haven't been around for a little while. I've been traveling, but today I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial on the Ledora Duo, which is a premium scalp and hair care device. I absolutely love it. I've noticed as I've gotten older and my hormones are changing and shifting, I am losing some hair around the scalp. And so I wanted to find a device that would bring back healthier, stronger, thicker hair. And I found it with the Ledora. It is an amazing device. It comes in this box. Now, this is the device. It comes in two different colors, a red and a black. I have the black, and this is the button that you turn it on. It has 3 different levels. So, you know, there's the blue, the green, and it's sort of like a light blue. Now, this is the pod that you put in. There's 2 different pods. I'm going to shut this off just to show you how it shuts off. You hold on, it shuts off after 3 seconds. It comes with 2 different pods, the Awaken and the Balance. Now, I've been using the Balance pod. Now, the pod lasts anywhere from 12 to 15 treatments. And what it is it's all about the nutrients that it has in the pod. I'm going to be demonstrating how to use this beautiful device. So this is the Balance pod. Now, to put it back in, you just do this little hole here, and you have to make sure that you hear it click. There's a little click. And then to pop it out, you pop it out back here. But here is where all the nutrients come out, and it disperses into all these little, what do you call it? I don't know. They're like these little teeth. It's an amazing device. It also comes with a charger, so you want to have it well charged. It also comes with a little bag. This is a great little bag. I was traveling to Naples, Florida, so I took my device with me because I wanted to have, really nice hair while I was there. And this is the cleaning device. So it's really fantastic. It also comes with a booklet of instructions, and you're going to really want to take a look at these instructions because it really goes through exactly what this device is and how it works. Now, the most important thing is you want to have a clean scalp so you don't have like residue or gunk on your hair. The reason for that is so that the nutrients absorb better. Now, you can do this on either dry hair or wet hair. I'm going to be demonstrating it on wet hair. So stay tuned. You are going to absolutely love this device. I do find my hair is getting thicker and more gorgeous. And really, I just noticed such a difference, especially around the scalp area. I do see little baby hairs coming in. So let's get to the demonstration and stay tuned. Now you're going to combine your Duo with your chosen Duo pod to experience a unique and luxurious hair and scalp treatment from the comfort of your own home. Now I'm using the Balance pod here. Now the Duo is an inventive beauty device featuring the latest dermal technologies, which is sonic vibration, gives you this gentle, amazing scalp massage, therapeutic warmth, red light therapy, and electrical stimulation to stimulate the scalp with a tingly, blissful sensation while providing an effective circulation boost. Together with the Duo pod to deliver the purest ingredients to your hair effortlessly, leaving every strand of your hair rejuvenated and your scalp nourished in seconds. Now, the Duo pod contains a proprietary dermatologist-developed formulation meant to target and address specific hair care needs. So ladies, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I really enjoyed making it, and I really feel such a difference in my hair. Again, the shine, right now I'm going out to dinner, so I have it a little bit styled. But what I actually really love about this hair care device is that it's vegan, it's cruelty-free, and it's great for the environment because they do have a recycling program. So all the links will be in the description below, and you can read. I'll put a lot of information on how they do their recycling system. And remember, this device is something that you'll have forever. It's a very well-made device, and the pods last a very long time. And the fact that it just makes your hair feel good, which is going to boost your confidence. It's amazing for women who are going through menopause and losing their hair. So remember that you're worth it, and I'll see you next time. Please leave a comment, please subscribe, and please like this video. And I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Mwah.